Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're talking about HTML. So, it, so this is my favorite personal thing that I use for coding. I use this code editor that I found on Google Play Store. Right, that I found on Google Play Store. If you want to get it, this is how to get it. Just type code editor and then look for this one and then click it. See, this is it. And now you make a new file. So I made a new file with this button, create folder. So when I created the folder, I now entered and press create file, and I use it to create these two files. So the main name for this index.html is like to show that you're using HTML. So that is the main name. For CSS is style.css. But let me just show you the one for JavaScript. Normally the name of the file will be script.js for JavaScript. So these are just different languages you use in coding. So I also want to show you that it's possible that when you're creating it, instead of creating script.js, like let's say, or index.html, like let's say it's an app, you can call it app.html. The only thing is that it must have that .html. So let me delete those ones. So the only ones I'm going to be teaching you today is the index.html. So yeah, I don't like, but the only thing is that there are many ads on this, and there's no way to remove the ads unless you get premium. So we have to wait for the ad to finish, and we can continue getting to coding. But the reason it's my personal favorite is that the one I use on laptop is VS Code, and this one is the best one I can use without a laptop. VS Code is the closest one to VS Code I could get that is free. So when you download the app, I have typed something here already. I've typed something here already. So the first line is open bracket and then doc type HTML, and then this is just what tells the browser that okay, we're using the most modern HTML, and the most modern HTML is HTML5. So it tells us that we're using HTML5. But if they make a newer HTML like HTML6, they might change the thing that writes there. But since the newest version is HTML5, just have HTML5 there. Doctype HTML. I meant it was a mistake when I put this dot. That's why you can't see it. It's only meant to be. There's not meant to be any dot. It's only a space. But this apps puts a dot to make for the space. So then, yeah, in the app you have a place to copy, a place to save it, and a run button that runs your code. So because this is the now we have to wait for the CD ads again. I really hate these ads. Skip video. Is that skip video? Looks like we have to wait. because it's refusing to skip. So we have to wait. Now we can. So these HTML tags show that everything you're writing here is HTML. And then this title, this head tag is what it will show at the top, like what like this thing that you see over here. This index.html, that's going to be the title tag. But it's, but it's only when you open it in a browser like Google Chrome on a laptop or a tablet or any like that. So I'll open, I think I should be able to yes, I can open the thing in Google Chrome, my browser. So I'll open it in my browser to show you. Oh, these ads. Oh god. I really so the title tag is like that thing that's going to be is like this index.html. But the reason it's inside the head tag is because it's the head tag that says the title should be up here. So now we have our body tag. That is everything that all of the code that we're mainly going to see over here. So let's start. So the first tag I'm going to be showing you is called the H1 tag. So anytime I type something, once I type the H1, it automatically checks and sees that, oh, the closing tag for the H1 is like this, and then it helps me to write it. So let's say we want the first heading to be like let's say we want the first heading to be welcome to Code Defenders. You just write, well, inside here we write welcome to Code Defenders, and then we save it with this, and then we see welcome to Code Defenders. But the reason when I drag this like this on my tablet, I use that thing on Android that when you drag it will return to the previous thing. That's why it returned. So the next tag is the paragraph tag, or which is the P tag. So the P stands for paragraph, obviously. So in the paragraph, let's say like Code Defenders is an interactive way to learn coding. So once we have typed that inside the opening and the closing tag, just save it and then open reload, and then you see that, and then, this is what we are going to do for now. So goodbye. I will continue in our next video. Goodbye. Let me stop the screen record.